Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download a free Bible on the Bible application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the page, then scroll down until you find the download a free offline Bible button. So tap on it, and here you can select the language of the Bible, then select the version and click on the download button next to it. Tap on agree and download, and as you can see, your download is complete. So you will be able to find it here at this section, and you can read your Bible anytime, even if you don't have any data nor internet connection. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.